Are you a data scientist or a data analyst spending hours cleaning data, building reports, or manually analyzing trends? What if you could automate all of this? Yes, you heard that right. AI agents can help you streamline these tasks and much more. And we are here to help you leverage this power. Data science is changing rapidly. According to McKinsey, 45% of current tasks in data science could be automated by AI within the next few years. Are you ready for this shift? Could your job and current role be at risk? AI agents are revolutionizing data tasks, automating everything from data cleaning to building reports and running models. Those data scientists who don't embrace these changes are at a serious risk of being left behind. Introducing the Agentic AI Pioneer Program, where you will learn to build intelligent AI agents that handle all these tasks for you. Acquire the skills to automate data cleaning, generate reports in minutes, and run predictive models effortlessly. Join the Agentic AI Pioneer Program today and embrace the future of data science and secure your place in the fast-changing industry. It's time to analyze smarter, not harder.